Thank you. Thank you. Get out. Thank you. DJ Bonbon.
Hello, madam! Happiest birthday po! O ano, madam? Ayos ba ang intro ko? At syempre, dahil ikaw ang main cast on this event, dapat lahat all about you! Madam, inisto ko yung FB mo. It's my bad. Sorry po. Hindi ko na hiningi permission mo, madam, kasi gusto ko ipakita sa kanila yung kung gaano ka ka-sexy at ka-passionate in your picture. So, cutie naman pala ng madam namin. At ang sexy pala. Grabe. Ngayon ko lang nalaman sexy mo, madam. Alam mo, madam, nung unang salta ko sa live mo, kala ko wholesome yung napuntahan ko. Sa araw-araw na pag-attend ko doon ko nalaman na mas krong-krong ka pala sa akin. Madam, thank you po sa pagiging mami, kaibigan, kapatid naming lahat. Alam mo, madam, being human is not very easy. But you hook me, madam. Sobra ko po na-appreciate lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin. The way na patawanin mo kami, kahit pagod ka or puyat. Lahat kami, madam, pinakikisamahan mo ng equal. Never ka po nagkaroon ng favoritism sa amin. At higit sa lahat, nilalapit mo po kami lagi kay Lord. Alam mo, madam, napakaswerte namin. Nakilala ka po namin. May sense ka usap, di na mamahiya sa live. Oo lang ng oo, kahit puro kami kalokohan. Lalo na po ako, di ko alam kung saan mo hinuhugot yung sang damakmak na pasensya mo, madam. But anyway po, ayaw naman po kitang paiyakin cause it's your day. Enjoy your birthday, madam. Sasayo pa tayo ng I wanna dance with my kumpare. Ciao, madam.
Hello, Sisi Ali. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Salamat sa mga prizes na mga binibigay mo po sa amin. Pasensya ka na po kasi ito lang kaya ko. Alam niyo na. Ako ang vlogger na mahihain sa camera. Magawa ko lang na gumawa ng birthday greetings. Happy birthday. Naway, walain ka pa po. God bless you more and more and more and more. Happy birthday. Mwah. Thank you very much.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready?
Ali, mega shoutout sa'yo. Happy birthday for you and always be with you, mami. Mag-ingat ka dyan lagi at huwag mo babayan ng sarili at always be brave and be strong, Mami Ali Delgan. We love you and God bless you. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Mami Ali, happy birthday. I wish you a good health, more birthdays, more blessings, and stay safe with your family and keep it up to share the blessings to others, and God bless you. Thank you. Happy Madam Ali, happy birthday. I wish more birthdays to come. Advance Merry Christmas, Madam. Wish you. God bless.
Hi, Mami! Good morning! Greet lang po namin kayo ng happy birthday! And more birthdays to come! Happy birthday, Mami! I love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madam Alice. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to live back. More blessings to come. More sharing, more blessing, and God bless. Thank you sa blessing, Madam Ha. Ang enjoy ni Madam ko yung maglaro sa'yo. Lalo na pag nandiyan si Ma'am Rose. Saya talaga namin iyan. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you.